in. The Northern Railway CPRO has now spoken up on the stampede, saying people had slipped and there were many others who got caught in this entire melee. The accident happened on platform 14. So revealing details of what exactly transpired, saying a high-level inquiry has been ordered.
जिस समय यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई उस समय नई दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन के प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 14 पर पटना की ओर जाने वाली मगध एक्सप्रेस और प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर 15 पर जम्मू की तरफ जाने वाली उत्तर संपर्क क्रांति खड़ी थी। इस दौरान फुट ओवर ब्रिज से 14 नंबर और 15 नंबर प्लेटफॉर्म की तरफ आने वाली सीढ़ियों पर पैसेंजर के फिसल कर गिरने से उनके पीछे के कई यात्री इसकी चपेट में आ गए और यह दुखद घटना घटित हुई। इस हादसे की उच्च स्तरीय कमेटी द्वारा जांच की जा रही है।
So, Tejshi, the railway saying that a high-level probe will be ordered into what exactly happened and what led to this unfortunate tragedy.
Well, absolutely, a high-level probe will be ordered so as to what transpired into this entire incident. In fact, a committee will be formed. We'll have to see that how the investigation takes place by this entire committee. Who are all those responsible for this entire incident? And in fact, we'll keep on showing you the visuals that what is happening over here outside LNJP Hospital. And in fact, we also spoke to the LNJP director, who in fact mentioned that number of individuals came midnight here at the LNJP hospital who were hospitalized, who were injured, and in fact number of them have already been discharged, but there are some very serious patients who are still hospitalized. Not just that, but yes, there are many who have also lost their lives, but as of now the number of individuals who have been injured, that number is also not yet clear. And in fact, you know, the official number of the individuals who have lost their lives has not yet been declared, but yes, what we are picking up from our sources that the official number is 18. And in fact, remember that the relatives of the individuals who are hospitalized, where they're also pouring in over here at the LNJP hospital continuously. And in fact, there is just one question in their mind, that they were just boarding the train to Prayagraj, and in fact what was their mistake, what was their fault, is what the relatives of all those patients have been asking who are hospitalized were. However, we'll have to see that what action is being taken by the committee, what further steps are being taken by this committee, and in fact who all are responsible for this entire incident. Remember that this is also a weekend time. That is why perhaps there were thousands of people who were there at the New Delhi railway station, because of which this could also be perhaps one of the reasons why there were a number of people who gathered over there at New Delhi railway station. And not just that, because in fact remember that travelers could also be going to Prayagraj and also to different places, because it was weekend, and in fact that is why it created mishap at that particular place. But yes, we are still awaiting for the official number of deaths and in fact the official number of the injured individuals who are still hospitalized at LNJP hospital, from where we are reporting from.
All right, we'll come back to you for those details. Before that, let's quickly go across to Pradeep Datta, who's joining us from the New Delhi railway station.
No comment, sir.
अच्छा कुछ
नहीं सर, मैं ऑथराइज नहीं हूँ सर, हमारे सीनियर अफसरों से वो ऑथराइज हैं बोलने के लिए।
अच्छा, लेकिन अभी आप पूरा देख रहे हैं, आप पूरा जायजा कर रहे हैं?
नहीं, हम तो रात से देख रहे हैं जी।
रात से देख रहे हैं आप पूरा? ये सीसीटीवी वगैरह कुछ अभी कुछ देखा
सर? रात से देख रहे हैं।
लोगों से बातचीत करिए।
Please, no comments.
So we had been interacting with the police officers here. You can see large number of police officers. Already inquiry has started there. They are saying that since last night they are interacting with the people. The concerned authorities are also trying to find out what really had happened, and they are also going to scan the CCTV footage. You can see large number of police officers, and with them also the women cops are also with them. They are here monitoring the situation and also trying to ensure that the crowd is properly managed here in this area. No more such incident take place, because reason is that what really happened yesterday should not have happened. As my colleague was rightly saying, this was a weekend, and then there were a large number of devotees moving towards Prayagraj for being a part of the Kumbh Mela. So in such a situation, they should have anticipated that there will be a large number of people present on the platform, so they should have taken enough measure to ensure such things should not happen. As the railway authorities said, that it was basically, let me show you. See, this is the platform number 50, where the Sampark Kranti was going towards the Jammu region. On the other side is the platform number 14, where the train was moving towards Patmar region, and that was the time when they say that some people slipped from the staircase, and that led to they were caught in a melee, and that led to confusion and chaos, and finally there was a stampede that led to the loss of 18 lives, and which included 14 women.